Alrighty, we're going to solder one wire coming in and going out with two wires. So we'll strip our wires that we're going to be soldering together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to solder it to one wire here. So we'll strip this one. Okay, now I'll bring the camera down close so you can see how it's done. So we're going to be bringing this wire into two wires here. Okay, you want to get them stripped about the same length here. So these two wires are going to be going this way. So we'll take them, we'll wrap our strands together like this. And we're going to take this wire here, we'll strip it back a little bit further because we're going to solder this to this. So you want to make sure you have you'll get your insulation even with the end of the splice there like that, and you'll wrap these strands around this wire like this, so you have a nice even splice like this. Okay, then we'll make this a little bit heavier, so we'll make it more sturdy like this. Now I'll bring the camera down even a little closer so you can see better. So we're going to use rosin core solder that's approved for electrical and electronics. We'll take our soldering paste here and we'll paste this up a little bit, get some flux on here. Then we'll take our iron. I'll bring it over here. We'll clean our tip. We'll tin our tip. And we'll get underneath here. See how that flux is melting and cleaning the contact. So we'll get a very nice solder joint. There it is. See how it's filling up nicely? There we go. We have a nice, clean, shiny solder joint. And our insulation moved a little on this one, so we could push it back up like that before it cools, because you want it to look nice. And now that is ready for the heat shrink. So see how nice and clean that is? All you see is a little bit of that flux, that all the corrosion that the flux took away. right there. So now that is ready for heat shrink.